I visited one of West Africa's largest aircraft hangars, and this was how it went.
Life is worth living. No be for poor man picking. Awalanja, yeah. Them be the one who's fed up. Cut me off according to your size. I'm bigger than them. Division between us, my blessings multiply.